This is the last year question paper for IIT Jam Geology. Let's discuss the answer of this question. Which one of the following is a geochronologic unit? And the answer is period. Which one of the following thickness less than 1 centimeter? And the answer is lamina. Which one of the following organism which one of the following organism became extinct during the Cretaceous tertiary mass extinction event? Ammonite. Match the geomorphic feature in group 1 with related process in group 2. And the answer is this one, P2. Circuit to glacial. Question 4. Q for Ventifact Aeolian. Point where fluvial. Tephra volcanic. Which one of the following textural feature result from exsolution? Perphitic. In holosymmetric class of cubic system, how many more faces does the 1-on-0 form have compared to 1-on form? 1-on-1 form. 4. Which one of the following seismic waves involves compression and refraction but not rotation of the material that passes through? P waves. Realgar and orpiment are both mineral of arsenic and have the same chemical composition. Which one of the following properties can be used to distinguish between two mineral and her specimen? C. Color. Buccal fault result from layer pile shortening. Sandstone beds above the magmatic body are domal in shape, while the beds below are horizontal. The magmatic body is a laccolith. Match the morphological feature from group 1 with corresponding fossil group 2. P for pedicle form brachiopoda. Q3 pallial sinus elicipoda. Pygidium trilobita. Siphuncle cephalopoda. The Triassic-Jurassic boundary lies within which one of the following stratigraphy unit? Dharmaran formation. Which one is correct order of stability of mineral arranged from most stable to the least stable during chemical weathering. This way, according to Bounce Jackson. Quartz, muscovite, amphibole, olivine. Match the following sedimentary rocks group in group 1 with their composition group 2. Paxton, grain supported content mode. Grainstone, grain supported contents no mode. Lithium arenite, lithic arenite, lithic arenite less than 15% matrix, greater than 25% rock fragments. Arcorage wake less than greater than 15% matrix and 25% feldspar. Match the parameter group 1 with their corresponding dimension in group 2. Same A answer P4 Q3 match the countries in group 1 with the plate tectonic feature in group 2 that causes seismic activity in them. In group 1 Iceland, Indonesia, Nepal, New Zealand. The answer will be A. Iceland is mid-oceanic ridge. Indonesia subduction zone. Nepal continental collision. New Zealand transfer fault. Which one of the magnitude scale given below does not saturate while estimating size of the earthquake? Moment magnitude scale. Which is the minimum number of forms that an actual crystal must contain in class 1 radial of the triclinic system? 4. The apparent dip of plane is measured to 45 degree towards northeast. The true dip of the plane is 40 degree towards northeast. A horizontal upright fold will have a horizontal fold axis and vertical axial plane. The displacement of the bed shown in the figure below is caused by single movement of along fault XYZ of the option given below. Which fault type Can we explain the observed displacement? Strike self, reverse, normal, terrace self. All are the answer. All are the correct answer. In the AFM diagram below, W, X, Y, and Z represents the flow for paleolithic assemblage. Which combination of assemblage contain the same mineral phase in equilibrium in the starolite zone? This is the figure, and the answer will be B. Match the rock types in group 1 with their characteristic mineral assemblage in group 2. P3. Diorite plagioclase plus minus quartz. Quartz plagioclase. R1 norite plagioclase minus orthopyrite plus minus cyclomatch clinopyroxene. Lazurite. Match the mineral deposit types in group 1 with the water types in group 2 considered dominantly responsible for their origin. The answer is P3 Q4, P3 Q4, R2, S1. Match the minerals group 1 with their optical properties in group 2. Sodalite isotropic, tourmaline pleochoric form, blue to brown, calcite twinkling effect, muscovite mottled extinction. The contact between the Tajir formation and underlying Precambrian basement is Precambrian base is all are angular conformity, disconformity, paraconformity, non-conformity. Increased diversity siphonate bivalves occur in response to increased pre-dimensional pressure in Mesozoic. An index fossil should have large geographic range and small Temporal range. Match the formation group 1 with corresponding stratigraphic period in the group 2. Syringothrix limestone, Karaisel, Chari, Jurassic variant measures per meter. Which of the given statement is correct? Sulfide mineral formed by covalent bonding between metal and sulfur. Which one of the following structure form in marinic environment? BC or ABC? This may or may not. These are maybe two options. These are like each carry 2 mark. Identify the correct stratigraphic succession ordered from oldest to youngest. Two are right. This Semri group, Kaimur group, Rewa group, Bhander group. And C is Papagni, Chitravati, Nalamani, and Kurnul group. They are two are right. Which one of the following stratigraphic unit contains coal seams? Barakar. Sorry. And Barakar and Lakadong formation. Which one of the statement is correct? A and B. A, B. Which of the genera are steam fossil? A or AC? This one or these two? Which one of the following statements are correct? A, B, D are correct. Speed control the release of water from a reservoir. Abutment are the sides of valleys supporting the dam structure, and this gallery serves as passage through the dam. The acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface depends on latitude, longitude, elevation. A metamorphosed basaltic assemblage can include minerals. 38. A, B, and D. Garnet amphasite, hornblende plagioclase, and glaucous lawsonite. Which of the following present? Which of the following pairs present correct plutonic and volcanic equivalent? A and granodiorite dacite and naphthalite phonolite. This is very important question. Every year one question must from this volcanic equivalent or plutonic equivalent. based on the given stereographic projection of the fold can be classified as a reclined fold, non-plunging fold. These are on mark each. The ripple symmetric index RSI of the hypothetical asymmetric ripple is the answer will be 2.5. Within a 4-order drainage basin, total length of the first, second, third, and fourth order streams 10.5 kilometer, 5.5 kilometer, 1.5 kilometers per hour. If the drainage density of the basin is 0.5 kilometer per meter, kilo per meter, the basin area is dash kilometers square. Answer will be 50. A soil has a void ratio 0.5. The total porosity of the soil is 0.33 to 0.34. 2 0.34. The average unit weight of the uppermost part of the crust is 25,000 nanometer cube. The vertical stress of the depth 1 kilometer would be 25. The radius of the Earth's circular orbit round 149 into 10 to the power 6 km. The Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun. The tangential velocity of the Earth is dash km per hour. Y equal to 3.14. Round of the decimal place. Then the answer will be 106817. 1068 17.0 to 1068 18.0. A borehole inclined 60 degree to horizontal pierces a vertical basaltic dike of uniform thickness. If the length of the basaltic drill core along core axis is 120 meter, the thickness of the dike is 6 meter in integer. The mass of the Earth is 80 times that the moon, while the radius of the earth is 4 times that of the moon. The surface gravity of the earth is 5 times that of moon integer. A hypothetical rocks contain assemblage kinetics limited in quartz. The variance degree of the freedom of the assemblage in degree. What will be the answer? 1. The quarter period copper is 0.5 weight M iron has 1 million ton waste with grade. The mine also has struck high grade ore with grade 1.8 weight percent. How much of high grade ore in million ton must be blended with waste to sell blended ore at the grade 0.5 weight percentage? The answer is 0.191 to 0.193. The maximum and minimum principal stress in a zone of active normal floating 28 MPa to 8 MPa respectively. The fault strike is north 30 degrees east and deep 60 degrees towards southeast. Considering Anderson theory, faulting in the normal stress on the fault plane is 13. A granite block starts sliding on slope inclination of 30 degrees with horizontal under effect of gravity only along the true direction of the inclination of the slope and hits the ground in 4 seconds. Considering zero friction and zero cohesion during sliding, the vertical height of the point with respect to the ground from the where the block was dislodged. Answer will be 20. A cylindrical soil sample encased in an open-ended inclined tube with a diameter of 100 mm. There is constant supply of water from upper end of the sample and on-flow from the other end, collected in a beaker. The average amount of water collected 1000 meter cube and mm cube and cover every 10 seconds. The uh, average outflow velocity will be dash millimeter per second. And the answer will be 0.012 to 0.013. Using Airy's hypothesis, calculate the thickness of the tool beneath the 4 km height mountain in isostatic equilibrium with 40 km thick continental crust of density 2800 kg meter cube and mantle of density 3300 kg per meter cube. Express your answer in kilometer. 22.4 to 22.4. Bus only 22. A given atomic weight of copper, iron, and sulfur as 63.55, 55.5, and 32.10 respectively. Find out the weight of the copper in gram metal in an ore 1 kg weight consisting boric chalcopyrite and chalco present in the weight fraction 0.4 to 0.4 and 0.2 respectively. Double 0.02 double 3.0. An ore body by 300 meter into 300 meter area is shown in the figure, in which the drill hole location on equally spaced squared grid are marked number 1 to 16. The average thickness of the ore body at the 4 interval point is 10.8 meter at the 4 corners, each 11.0 meter, and the remaining 8 boundary location 10.5 meter respectively. The corresponding average grades are 1.5, 1.9 and 1.8 weight%. Respectively, calculate the average grade in WT the of the full ore body using the included area method. Round up the two decimal. This is the figure, and the answer will be 1.672, 1.68. The 80s here the answer will be 0.765 to 0.765 to 0.766. The coefficient of permeability of two aquifer -1 and 2 are 60 meter per day and 40 meter per day respectively. Their saturated thickness are 30 meter and 15 meter respectively. Assuming steady and state alkaline flow, the transmittivity of aquifer 1 is dash time that the aquifer 2, that aquifer 53. Assume that PO2 with a half life of पढ़ है 59. The answer is minus 10.08 to minus 10.07. The figure below is an isobaric binary temperature composition. Tx plot what amount in percentage the equilibrium melting rock R will generate the melt composition of L. This is the figure, and the answer will be 28.0, 29.0. And the answer is and Thank you.